Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today on Beginning Stamping or Stamping 101, I'd like to show you how to clean your stamps. Okay, well, there is this expensive way, and I'm not saying it's bad. I have them. I have their Stampin Scrubs, and you can get the Stampin Mist, or I use water. I'm just going to ink up a stamp. And what you do if you have this, you spray water or your stamping mist on one side. You clean the stamp off with that, and then you dry it with the other side. What I like to do, these are baby wipes. They have to be alcohol-free baby wipes. And this one, because they usually have the ones that you just pop the top off and the whole thing is there. So I'm just going to take the top off. Now you can have these and they'll dry out. I'll guarantee you they'll dry out. All you have to do is put some water in there. And then to clean these, just like that. And if they don't really want to clean, you just pick them up and you just clean it like that. This, I find, is the most economical way to do it. As long as, again, don't have any alcohol in your baby wipes. And these I can keep for months and months and months and do it. So that's how you clean your stamps. Remember to sign up for my YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.
If you wanna play, make it about a play.